Welcome to another episode of Mechanics on Duty. Today we're going to show you guys how to replace the flex pipe on a 2002 Lexus ES300. This flex pipe is part of this catalytic converter in the back, and it's like a wide pipe. So we're going to remove this oxygen sensor, 2 bolts up there, one on each side, and then we're going to remove this bracket. Also, what else are we gonna replace? We're gonna cut these bolts off because they look so rusted. They're not gonna be able to be taken out. We're gonna cut the back 2 bolts off first. That one is out. When you use an air razor, make sure you have your glasses, all the safety first, you know.
Safety first.
Can't see them. Okay, the second bolt is out of there.
Now we're gonna tap it. Pop.
We're gonna tap it, and they should just you could use a punch or air hammer, whatever works best. Now we use air hammer to knock the bolt out. There it goes. Same thing on the opposite side. And the exhaust is out of the joint. Next, we're gonna loosen up the oxygen sensor. Should be 2 of them, that one and this one. All right, these sensors are tight. We're gonna heat them up. We're gonna use this mini torch. This is a high temperature torch.
The yellow one, not the blue one.
Yeah. And it has a special adapter on the top. You want to get that nice and hot. And that's gonna loosen up the grip of that oxygen sensor. It's been a couple of minutes. We're gonna try to remove that sensor now. There you go. Once it's hot, it comes right off. Make sure you never touch it because it's super hot, it will burn you. Okay, it's turning back, so we're gonna leave that there, and then meanwhile we're gonna get the other one loose. Now we're gonna get the other one nice and hot. We're gonna let that torch run for good 2, 3, or 5 minutes. And then we're gonna come right back to it. Again, this one's been being heated for a couple of minutes. Should be loose by now. We're gonna put the wrench in and try. There you go, it's loose. They're very hot. We're gonna leave it there till they cool down. They're loose already, and then we'll continue the job after that. Okay, we have both sensors out. They're hanging loose. One from that port, another one from over here. So now we are going to take out the 14s, and that should let the exhaust drop. So I take out the 14s. Be careful, I don't hit you. There you go, it was in 2 pieces.
Bada bing, bada bong.
We got it out. Almost broke my arm. Before you install the new gaskets, make sure the surface is clean and around. All the little debris there, just have it removed. You have to do it to 3 of them. This one's a little dirty. We're gonna use a special sealant on this. And the third one, it's nice and clean. All the dirt is out. That looks pretty clean. We can put the seal on that with the sealant. Now we're gonna install the new gaskets, and also we're gonna use this special sealant. This is the same thing they use on the roads, the black tar. This helps in this seal the exhaust very good. Once we have this sealant on, we're gonna put this up and then we're gonna come right back. Okay, after you have all the seals in, you're gonna tighten up the bolts. The 14s here, 14s in the front, and the 14s in the back. You're going to use 2 wrenches to grab the back and the front. We're using new bolts since we cut the original bolts out. And you want to catch them evenly from both sides. So a little bit to one side, and then you go on the opposite side, do the same thing. Back and forth so the seal is nice and tight. Okay, next we're gonna put the oxygen sensors back, but we are gonna use this product called anti-seize. We're gonna put that on the threads. Same thing with the other sensor. And then we're gonna tighten both sensors up so they're nice and tight in their place. That one's tight, and we're gonna do the other one. And that's it. The job is done. We got the flex pipe. This is the flex pipe. It was broken from there. And that's the Cadillac converter. And the job is complete.